Alright folks, so this is a video tutorial on how to make a thrown spout on a slab structure. So there's of course many variations you could do on this, but the beginning part is making yourself a pattern for your slab structure and then assembling it according to all the requirements, using maybe little coils in the seams to get it really tight. Using a beveling tool and thinking through those 45-degree angles and how they'll fit together. It could be a cube, a box, it could be a rectangle like this one. And you're gonna really want to support the interior when you need to. Mine, I let my slabs set up for a day wrapped in plastic. You might want to do 1 or 2 days before you put them together. And then you measure the top of your structure and keep your slabs, of course, bagged up while you decide the spout shape. So here I threw the spout first, and then I'm cutting into the shape to make it match with my slabs. And as long as you cut the kind of skirt of the spout quite a bit bigger and give yourself some room to adhere it on, it works pretty well. Think through the scale. Like, I sort of wish I had a longer spout on this big tall vase, but it worked out okay. And then score and slip everything and really clean up those seams, and voila, there you go.